And you're dumb. It's stopped raining for a little bit. And that's a red light runner. What the fuck? The hell was that? Dude, you got a red hand. That means because you hit the button and then jaywalked, I'm gonna be sitting here for another like minute or so. What the hell are you doing across the set? I mean, did they just go straight from the left turn lane? But you had a choice of lanes. To turn into Aldi. Come on. Oh, now you signal. That's a hell of a place to make a U-turn. Yeah, I doubt I got on camera. What the hell are you doing? And the both of you don't signal. I could have just pulled right out and hit you. What the I'm right through the goddamn stop sign. You just ran right through. Oh, what the fuck? First up. I stopped before you did. Great, that means I have to wait here longer because you sat for a while. While you're leaning over, reaching for something. Did not stop at all. And that was red. Are you shitting me? You're kind of sort of in my lane. Jeez. You just run through a red light. Go already. Jeez, people suck. And that's straight from a right turn lane. Whoa! Careful, careful!
You know, people love our mashed potatoes. They're really good. And,
whoa! See that guy zoom across?
Really
He's going in the video.
They love
last second moving over. There was plenty of space behind me. Oh, last second on the 84. You only have forever to do it. And you just keep going straight. Okay, I see how it works. You don't even stop. That was a twofer right there, I think. Jeez, how many attempts does it take to pull into a parking spot? Whoa, whoa. Should've looked. The truck just sits there. That's a near heart attack, and what was that? Let me see. Yeah, that was a great plan on your part. What the fuck are you doing? What? Are you gonna go, or what are you gonna do? You're that dumb. There's like a million gas stations on this street. You had to pick that one. U-turn. Very smart. And by smart, I mean dumb as shit. No signal either. As well as the no tail light. People, and also Spencer's was very concerned. And he just ran the red light. Haha. Oh, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. And it's red. Just run the stop sign and pull out slowly in front of me. Infinity.
Down to the Garden Barn, 228 West Street, Vernon, Connecticut, or give them a call at 860-872-7291. Tell them Scott and Len sent you, and that's going to get you 20% off.
And sadly, that's what you have to do to get
back out better.
Yeah, but
when you could have just pulled through. Wow. Wonderful job. Okay. Of course, we're all gonna run. Because that would suck. Was that a right turn from the left lane? Wheelie fun! It's fun to do wheelie, although those are weak wheelies. Is that even tied down? Whoa! Rear camera, holy shit. There's a Fiat right there. Seriously?
You know? What some 16-year-old kid
over white lines,
sits all over his face, who pops up
even when there's no traffic.
But I'm a grown man with skills.
That's what we do here.
Well, it's instrumental music, so to a degree.
What are you doing? Another guy. No. What are you doing? Yeah, you just made life hard for that guy. Making a right turn, left turn. Oh, that was close. Turn signal. You know. Two red light runners. Car behind me doesn't move over. No. What the fuck was that? He was behind me. That Porsche guy, I gotta follow him around.
What?
Whoa, Jesus Christ. Can you not be in my lane, please? Thank you. They'll do take 2 during the first one. Yeah, 5-second exit.
An idiot. See what it says? Marriage is between a man and a woman.
And a red light runner.
And if you think...
Yeah, you're gonna keep going. It turned red like 90 hours ago. Damn, they are busy today, and you're taking up the middle, so I'm not gonna be able to turn down there. Jesus. Again. What was that? What the hell are you doing? Screen. There you go.
In a field.
Oh, that's a no turn on red. What the hell was that? What are you doing on this side of the street? Hey, move over your... Oh, on your cell phone. Of course you don't know how to drive. Whoa, what are you doing? Wow. You got a red arrow, dude.
That's funny.
Whoa.
Who didn't get that
Get
reference?
the fucking snow off your car. It snowed 2 days ago.
The only reason why I'm explaining it is because
No
sometimes I do it
excuse.
if people don't get it.